Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy sales strategies with LinkedIn, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by creating a LinkedIn account. Visit the LinkedIn website or open the mobile app. Choose to sign up as an individual. Fill in the required fields with your personal information. Make sure to use a professional email address. Once registered, complete your profile. Upload a professional profile photo. Write a compelling headline that reflects your expertise. Include a detailed summary that showcases your skills and experience. Add relevant work experience and education to your profile. Start connecting with industry professionals. Send personalized connection requests to individuals in your target market. Engage with connections by liking and commenting on their posts. Join relevant groups related to your industry. Participate actively in group discussions to build your visibility. Now, identify your target audience. Define the characteristics of your ideal customers. Use LinkedIn's search feature to find these potential clients. Utilize filters like location, industry, and job title for precise targeting. Next, start creating valuable content. Share articles, insights, or industry news that resonates with your audience. Consider posting case studies or success stories from previous clients. Encourage discussions by asking open-ended questions in your posts. Monitor engagement on your content to understand your audience's interests. Establish a consistent posting schedule to keep your audience engaged. Use LinkedIn Analytics to track the performance of your posts. Regularly assess which types of content perform best. Now, leverage LinkedIn messaging for outreach. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.